Okay, so while we have the inner fender off, we got one more thing here. This is the engine block heater for the diesel, and it goes behind that inner fender well, so we're going to get that put in there. Almost for and let's see if we can, might have to move the wheel. It goes, thought it went on the passenger side, maybe it goes on the driver's side. I'll have to look that up. Okay, so we got the engine block heater in. It did go on this side, and you can see the orange plug in there, and that's where it went. It didn't route it exactly like they said. I came right over here and then up here and out by the headlight. Tip if you're doing this, the plug is tight. The plug is really tight, so you're going to want to use some dielectric grease, put in the plug holes, and then also bend those holes out a little bit. I just used some Allen wrenches that fit and squeezed the plug apart a little bit. And I'm just gonna, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Actually, if I'm gonna leave it up here or bring it, I'll just leave it up here because I don't know if I'll actually need it, but I wanted to have it just in case. Okay, so I just wire tied the extra together, put it there, and hid the plug down in there. And if I ever need it, I've got it. Probably won't, but now I've got it in case we get some extremely cold weather. Just got to put this fender well back in. We got the wires out. Got to get the cowl light in, get that wired up, and then wire them to the Vo switch box.